Hello guys, my name is Matthew and in today's video I'm going to show you how to use shooting range in Escape from Tarkov. What we have to do, we have to go to hideout, we have to enter, and as you can see we are already standing next to shooting range. If you don't want this pop-up window to show up, press escape, just enter, and you can walk around, you can go back to it, press F, and your weapon in your inventory will show up. Let's go with M4A1. You can test a couple of things here. You can try out your lasers. You can try out your scopes. You can also use and try your zoom in or zoom out scope, in this case Valde. And for sure, when your magazine is loaded, you can also try your RPM or your ADR. It's very helpful because like this you know how the weapon will behave when you actually take it into the raid, and you can get ready for the dispersion and all the other parameters of your weapon. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.